everyone, this is BOGONG laser. Today we are going to show you our combination fiber laser cutting machine.
This machine core advantage is that it can finish plate cutting and tube cutting. You can see our plate cutting machine body and tube cutting machine body are all in one type. This design makes it easier to fix the position of tube cutting machine body. Our tube cutting machine body also is plate welding. The feeding axis will full steel plate, which can ensure machine's accuracy. Tube cutting machine body is 6 meters. We equipped 3 pipe supports as standard. If machine body is 3 meters, then it equips 1 pipe support. Pipe support automatically rises and falls as the chuck moves. The nylon wheel is suitable for supporting pipes of different diameters. We can adjust it to suit the diameter of the pipe and then fix it. Our chuck is full seal design and it can prevent cutting debris from entering the chuck and extending the life of the chuck. The rear chuck can move into the front chuck, which helps to shorten the leftover material.